Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll start to solve a problems on pension. So the question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question. Mr. X retired from the services on 31st March 2022. So Mr. X ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅಸಸಿ 31st March 2022 retired ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. His pension was fixed at 8,000 per month. So ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ತಿಂಗಳು 8,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. He commutes 3/4 of his pension. So whatever the total pension he is receiving, out of that 3/4 of that ಒಟ್ಟು ಅವನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರನೇ ಒಂದು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಭಾಗವನ್ನ ಅವನು ಕಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ 7,20,000. ಅವನು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲ್ ಭಾಗವನ್ನ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 7,20,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ 3/4 of his total pension and he received 7,20,000 rupees. Find out the taxable amount of commuted pension. See, this question is very important. Taxable amount of commuted pension. ಕೆಲವೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ again they have given three cases. Case number 1, if he is a government employee. So the chart which I have explained in my previous video, that table you should remember. If he is a government employee, in case of commuted pension, it is fully exempted. It is fully exempted. Second case, he is a non-government employee, receives gratuity. Gratuity receive ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ 1/3 of the pension will be exemption. If he is receiving gratuity, then 1/3 will be exempted. He is a non-government employee who does not receive gratuity. If it does not receive gratuity means 2/3, one half will be exempted. So keeping this question, we have to solve the solution. So always in IT income tax, whichever the problem you solve, this is necessary. Name of the assessee is Mr. X. Previous year is 1/4/2022 to 31st March 2023. Assessment year is from 1/4/2023 to 31st March 2024. First, case number 1 or category 1, what they have told, he is a government employee. If he is a government employee, what will be the tax treatment? So we have to take two columns, particulars, amount, rupees. First, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ value of the commuted pension. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ commuted pension ನ value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. That value of commuted pension should be written. So in the question they have given that value of commuted pension, or he commutes 3/4 of his pension and received 7,20,000. 7,20,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Now, exemption. So, as he is a government employee ಗೆ completely exemption. ಏನು ರೀತಿಯ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟು 7,20,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ pension. If he is a government employee, it is 0 because it is not taxable. ಇದು ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನಾನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ. ಅವನೊಂದು ವೇಳೆ ನಾನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿಯನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೇಮ್ 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್, particulars amount ಕಾಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ 7,20,000. 7,20,000 rupees less exemption. So if he receives gratuity andre 1/3 of full expansion, 1/3 of full pension will be exempted. 1/3 of full pension ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು exempted ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So one working note I will write here. Value of commuted pension. Commuted pension ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? 7,20,000. ಇದು ಏನು? It is ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 3/4 of his pension. So it is 3/4 of full pension. ಈ 7,20,000 ಬಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನಿನ ಕೇವಲ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಭಾಗ. The 7,20,000 is only 3/4 of the full pension. So we want to know what is full pension. We want to know full pension. So in order to get full pension, we have to multiply 7,20,000 into ulta 4/3. So we know what is the value of 3/4 of the full pension, that is 7,20,000. So if we want to know the full value of that, then we need to do 7,20,000 into 4 divided by 3, which is equals to 9,60,000. So full pension is 9,60,000. So 9,60,000 ಬಂದು full pension. ಅದರ ಮೂರನೇ ಒಂದು ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಭಾಗ 3/4 ಭಾಗ ಬಂತು 7,20,000. ಆ 7,20,000 ಬಂತು ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ but here exemption is given on 1/3 of full pension. For this 9,60,000 they are giving 1/3 of exemption. So the formula will be 1/3 into full pension. How to find out full pension? 7,20,000 into 4 divided by 3. Why 4 divided by 3? Because we know 3/4. So if you want to know full amount, reciprocal 4/3. So ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get 3,20,000 as exemption. ಸೊ ಒಟ್ಟು 7,20,000 ಕಮ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3,20,000 ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತಹ 4,00,000 rupees, it is a taxable value of commuted pension if he is a non-government employee and receives gratuity. The final case, last case, who does not receive the gratuity. Who does not receive the gratuity? Same step follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Particulars amount column. First write the value of commuted pension 7,20,000. Next exemption changes. Instead of 1/3, it will be 1/3 of full, 1/2 of full pension. 1/3 ಬದಲು 1/2 of full pension. Same 1/2 into 7,20,000 into 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3 ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. When you apply the formula, it will be 4,80,000 rupees. So total 7,20,000 is the value of commuted pension. Out of that you are getting 4,80,000 exemption. The remaining 4,00,000 rupees will be taxable value of commuted pension. Taxable value of commuted pension if he is a non-government employee and does not receive gratuity. So this is how we need to solve the pension problems. Hope you have understood how to solve the pension problems. If you have any doubt, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.